Hi guys, I'm coming to you from my bathroom. Since we are doing this Target haul, I thought I would start out with my rollers. Okay, so I'm not big into spending money on hot rollers. Literally went to Target and found this cute Conair set, and I used to use these rollers back in the day. A lot of you guys comment on my hair, how I get it curly. I usually will set it with when I blow dry it, but this is how I've been doing it recently. They're just these little rollers and then you clip them in. They're very, very easy. So I'll show you at the end of this what my hair looks like. But I wanted to share with you a couple of the things that I got in my Target haul. First of all is the Native deodorant. You guys, if you're sleeping on this, it's so, so good. I have tried several others, as you know, I did a video on it, and this has become my very favorite. The one I really like the most is the coconut and vanilla. This does have baking soda in it, so if that's not your jam, you don't want to use this, but it has no aluminum and no parabens in it. And then of course, if you saw my video, which I will link below, I got quite a bit of the Versed skincare line, and I've really been enjoying their cleansing balm as well as their baby cheeks. It's like an all-in-one micellar water and hydrating toner. So these two are so, so good. And then let me flip you around. All right, so we're in my shower, and I just took a shower, so they're all wet. But I did get the large size of the Kristen S shampoo, as well as the signature conditioner, as well as her purple shampoo. I love her stuff. She's actually a dear friend of mine. Her line is cruelty-free, of course. I do know she actually came out with a whole unscented line, which I'm going to be trying next after I run out of that, if fragrance is not your jam. But let me share with you the kind of highlights. Part of it is my clothes that I have on right now, and I can't wait to share them with you because they're really affordable, and I'll obviously link everything below. So I got these jeans. I wear them all the time. I absolutely love them. They are from Target, super reasonable. I love the little rip in the knee. I literally live in these jeans. And then I got this amazing cardigan. I love this thing. I wear it all the time as well. I just got it and just have been wearing it non-stop. It's from a brand called Who, What, Where, and they actually have an amazing blog, but they also have an amazing affordable line that I have worn for years, and I haven't loved anything really so recently, but this and a couple other pieces that I'm gonna show you, I die for it. It's perfect for winter. You can put a turtleneck underneath it. For me, since it's 50 degrees today here, I just wore like a little tank top with it, and it is really nice and warm. I absolutely love it. It has really nice coverage in the back. Fantastic. And my heels, by the way, are from QVC. They're Sam Edelman. All right, so this is a dress with pockets, same brand, Who What Wear. I understand that it's not like the most super flattering, but I just love it. And it's just a little bit too big here to put a belt, but I have a belt that I'm going to try right here. But I just love it. I think with a long like coat, it would be really beautiful. I just love this style of dress. I'm not super into showing my body off, but I just thought this was a super sweet dress. Same thing from Who What Wear. It was $39, and usually their stuff is really, really expensive. This is actually fully lined too, so there is like a liner in here for you, and I love it. So I thought I would just get this to tote around, you know, with a cute hat or something like that. So yes, so this is the cute little dress. And I think down with my hair down, obviously it'll have a better vibe. My top on, but I love this sweet top. Look at the detail in the arms. It's so gorgeous. Very, very well made, like feels very expensive. I probably would wear this with like a skirt, obviously jeans, some heels, or some, you know, tennis shoes or something like that. But I fell in love with this shirt. It's really, really, really well made, and it just has this sweet little kind of detailing on the neckline right here. I just fell in love with it, and so I had to get this. And this also, I think, was $39. I'll put all the prices as I'm talking, but love this sweet little top. Same brand, Who What Wear. All right, so here we are. back in the studio so I can show you. So this is what my hair looks like coming out of those curlers. Now, you know that I don't wash my hair every single day. And so I just will wash my hair like every couple of days to keep it healthy. And so this curl will last me all the way until that time. And I just run my hands through it just like this. If you have a big comb, that works as well. But I just use my fingers. I just take this Brilliantine from Bumble and Bumble, which is like, I don't even know what it is. I tell you, I'm not a hair person. It is like a soft defining cream. So I put it on my hands, go underneath first, and then kind of go like this and run it through up here. And it just keeps everything kind of separated. Smells really good. And then you just kind of play with it and let it kind of do its thing, to be honest with you. And my hair is a little bit shorter because I just got it cut, but that is it. And this will just look really good over the next several days. It'll just kind of fall out and just look really kind of effortless. And then at the end, I'll pull up in a ponytail and it'll be a pretty kind of nice, big, you know, ponytail, kind of loose curled ponytail. So yeah, so that's basically what I got from Target. You know, I am obsessed with Target. And I hope you enjoyed this quick little haul. I didn't get any makeup because I went there specifically actually to get the Makeup Geek new stuff, and they didn't have it at my Target. When I lived in California, everything was there, and now that I live in Colorado, like, they don't have anything. It's kind of annoying, but anyway, I'm going to still look for it, and I will keep you posted, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you all so much for being here. Love you guys. Bye.